really neat. It comes with 3 separate light bulbs, so you are able to twist them on and off. That way, if you want just 1 on, 2 on, or have all 3 on, you are able to do that. And that way, you can get the light setting that you need for the environment that you want to portray in your home. And they come with these beautiful cage covers. That way it has that nice modern farmhouse look. It can fit into many different styles. I really like the black that it has, and it goes well with my living room. It has the wires here that are twisted to give it a nice style. That way they flow freely down. These take a max of 60-watt light bulbs, and you can do whatever style of light bulb you want. You can do the normal light bulb that's just circle, or you can even add some style to it and go ahead and put light bulbs in like this one. And there you can see it just gives it more of style and more customization that you are able to put into this lamp and really make it exactly the style that you want for your home.